Hi, it's January 11, 2020. Large brush fire in Wares Valley affecting 60 acres. 0% contained. I want to thank my subscriber for sending this along. I'm going to play some videos of the fire in the same area about 2 years ago. This is a hard one for me. I was going to move to Wares Valley. A subscriber for years had asked me to move there, and I was kind of trapped in leases and didn't know what to do, and finally I made the decision. I got out of a lease. I called her. I had spoken to her the day before. So my call was to tell her that it was all set. I could be up in 2 weeks. I got out of the lease. I flipped my flip-top phone open, saw that a call came in, checked it out. It was a Tennessee area code, didn't recognize the number, thought she might be using her daughter's phone, and called it and learned she had died over the night and had a massive heart attack, died. She was a targeted individual. And yeah, there's some questions I have regarding what happened, but where's Valley? So now they have another fire. It's not contained. Pigeon Forge, which is a big tourist area. 60 acres already. High winds are forecasted for tonight. They've closed roads. I don't know what I am. I'm glad she's gone. So that she doesn't have to see this. She was a Tennessee girl. Funny, I was just listening. She loved country music, so I was just listening yesterday to some songs that I had recorded that she loved that were on her YouTube playlist, and just listening to them last night, I was thinking about her, thinking about Wares Valley, thinking about what my life would have been like had she lived. And so here is information. Be very careful, guys, in this area. Yeah, wind speeds around 1 p.m. Saturday. He's also saying that gusts are certainly much stronger, especially above 3,000 feet. Her ex-husband has cabins that he rents out in that area. 20 cabins are threatened. Her daughter and father run a whole place. A pool, concession stand, and they rent out cabins. Well, I know. I'm not supposed to sound like I have any emotions. Okay, so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. She had a beautiful home in the mountains. Apparently it started by a downed power line. So, you guys in this area, Ravens, Denway, Starkey Town Road, in Wares Valley. I know those roads. Oh, man. Okay, well, let's watch this. "2016. And please notice, yep, brought to dust. And where did these fires come from? Where did they come from? The flying embers, I guess. The flying embers from where? Well, it's those high winds. Look at these homes. Look at the drive. That's completely, I mean, it's pristine. Yeah, a few charred trees. But where did it come from? Look at this home. And look at all of this very, very, like, dry, dead trees. They look like, okay, these would have gone up in a heartbeat. And this home was completely destroyed. Nothing on the streets whatsoever. Did you see that straight line? Right here. And notice how you'll see a home flattened and a car destroyed, and you'll see cars destroyed, but they're so close to the trees. leveled. This video, Portugal, Madeira, Gatlinburg. I just want to play a few minutes of what he has to say about the Gatlinburg, but the first section is Portugal. I hope you click on the link and watch the full video.
Let's have a look at the Gatlinburg footage. So here we're going to see the Gatlinburg. Again, this is a drone tour of the damaged area. Okay, same format. Drone tour.
Channel 5's Chris Conti, photojournalist. Our team coverage.
Here we go. Okay, aerial tour, same thing. Similar sort of terrain, right? Mountainous trees and stuff. Same format.
These deadliest wildfire began. It is harsh, unforgiving terrain.
Blah-de-blah.
Moisture for months. The iconic get untouched.
Now look at this. Look, you can see, can't you? Trees a bit damaged here, but around the trees have even got leaves on. Look, and yet the houses have completely been destroyed. Completely. This looks like sort of cement or. But anyway, they're completely destroyed.
I'll link below. You can watch the video. I just hope everybody stays safe and this fire.
All these mountains connected together.
And this fire gets contained and no one is hurt. All links are below.